Hello designer, this is Shakil from Daily Graphics. Today we're learning about a stunning anaglyph light effect. The effect you can download from below. So first open your perfect photo in Photoshop. I use a stock image. You can choose any kind of photo for practice. First duplicate your photo for backup. Then go to action panel, apply like this. First you need to load your action. Then you can click in arrow key just like this. It's look perfect in this photo. This is other photo that I use anaglyph effect that also looks nice. You know now how to do this. You can use anaglyph photo in Facebook, Instagram story and Twitter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the red subscribe button. See you again in next video.